My name is Kulwant Singh Sandhu, and so we are farming here more than 5 years. Last year, Major Dillon from Blueberry Council, he tell us government has a program. So we talk lots on the phone, sometimes conversation when he came to our field to take a look. And he tell us, this is the thing you can do. Its height goes up to 6 to 8 feet, and berry stays below the 6 feet because we prune every year. So usually sprayer nozzles are equal to the berry, and when the winds blows, drift won't pass the laurel trees because they are thick. In next few years they will stop the drift. This is good for environment too. Also it attracts the honeybees. Naturally, pollination is a major thing in berries, so it will be help in the pollination because they plant attracts the bees, and definitely if bees come here, they sit on the flowers too. Farmers need to choose something right for them. In my farm, they providing variety of plants which one I needed. My main reason is drift won't go on the neighbors.